Hi guys, my name is Shreyash and today I will be showing you how to install Windows Virtual PC and I will be telling the benefits of it. So the benefits are that if you want to install a software but don't know if it is a virus or not, then you can install it first on the virtual PC and then install it on your main system so you know if it is a virus or not. Now I will leave all the links in the description. Go to the first link. It is this one. It will take you to Microsoft site. Select the language. I'm going to be choosing English and click on download. Now you need to check here. Look, 64-bit and 32-bit. How to know if your computer is 64-bit or 32-bit? Just go to Windows Explorer and then right click and select properties, and here you can see mine is 64-bit operating system, so I will choose 64-bit and then click next. I cancelled it because I have already installed it. Then you have to run it, but I'm going to cancel because in the previous videos I already used virtual machines, so I have already installed it. Next you need to download a ISO image of Windows 7 or whichever software you want. Now again 64-bit or 32-bit. I'll take the 64-bit one. It will take some time. It will take 9 minutes, but I will not download it. I have already downloaded it, so you guys don't need to wait. Now I have made a separate virtual machine folder and there are all my virtual machines. So I'm going to store it in here. Here is the ISO image. Now we are going to, once you have installed that update, then you can go to, you can see here it will come in your start menu. If it doesn't come, then you can always go down and here you can see a folder and here Windows Virtual PC. Now you need to create a virtual machine. I have already made several virtual machines. I'm going to name it Win7 and then browse. We'll go to where you have stored the ISO image. It is right here. I'm going to choose this folder. No, I made a mistake. You have to choose the folder you want to store the virtual machine on, not the ISO image, sorry. Now give it the RAM you want. I'm just going to give it 900 MB because I don't want it to be using all my memory. Then create a dynamically expanding virtual hard disk and then click on create. Here is our new virtual machine, but don't start it yet. Click on settings. Here you can see everything. Name of the virtual machine, memory it uses, and then go to DVD drive and select on open ISO image and then click close. Then go to where you have stored it. To here and click on open and click on OK. Then run it. Now it will install Windows because we have not installed Windows. As you can see here, Windows is loading files. Now I'll start in Windows. I'll speed it up. So see you once it has installed. Now here you can see this, but I cannot click anything because the cursor is right here. So you have to click inside the virtual machine to get control of the cursor inside. Now install Windows 7, language to install English, I want English, time and currency format. Now choose the one you want. Now click next and select install now. Next. Now it will install Windows. I'll see you after it installs it. Bye. It is completing installation now. It had restarted once. Now it will continue after restarting the computer. So I think we need to do it manually. No need for doing it manually, it will happen automatically. Now starting Windows has come for the third time. Now it is preparing the computer for first use. Now we need to type a username, so type whatever you want. Now click next. Now type a password. And then I'm going to skip activation for now. Now you are going to click use recommended settings. Now choose your time zone. Now choose the network. Skipping home group for now. Now it is finalizing our settings. Now we are logging in for the first time. Here we go guys, this is Windows 7 Ultimate. This is Windows 7. We get internet access because I chose it. So this is it for today. Guys, thank you for watching, and I forgot to mention that if you have 3 GB laptop RAM, so it won't work as smoothly, but you need to have over 3 GB RAM, so it will work much better. And whenever you want to exit the virtual machine, like look, I'm going up, but it is not allowing me to exit, so you can click the Windows key and it will take you out. I've got the black cursor and inside is the white cursor, so you can see, and click on the window to get inside again. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.